Response your roll call. Roll number 1. Oh! Hello guys. Welcome back to another new video. It's been a while again not making videos. So here I am back again. The plan for today is to go for roaming in the jungle. So first of all, we will have to prepare some ammos for catapult, some bullets for catapult. Dig out some soft red mud like this, mix it with water. This is the reason why I have clean nails. This is enough. Then heat it. I'm doing this to smoothen the mud. Okay, good enough. On the other side of the world, to the fura hagin na. To be get low to learn. Who call it? I hope you meant that. Cho tại số phục cái bài rì ta đấy. Next step như giờ nhảy bài rồi lưu thư 2 kg. Như nào 2 kg này cứ lừa ta lại vấn. This video is going to be rather interesting, so don't skip, watch till the end. It's done like this. Hagin a little lure I was look at it. Him pugan and putilla. Wash easy on in a mile. And look who's here. Oh, hello, my boy. Hello. Meow. Banter. 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 Meow. How are you? How old are you? I'm 4 years old. The Poumai. I get on a two what you do, dear. You put on it. Take home more that.
Sora. Two what two, dear.
Two. Ja. Ipulane. Ja. Tira. Ipulane. Ja. Naka. Hanan chuva. Poumai cứ tao đấy thì bông xong rồi mà là có thua thì là nên này. Slide basket. Slide tí bây giờ nó rồi nè. Poumai nghĩ cứ tao đấy thì cứ để xong rồi. Nhưng mà có slide thì là nó râu. Râu tí bây giờ nó rồi. Thu chế vả mà tốt bây. Thu giờ. Thu giờ thế đấy nè. Ôi. Catapult. This is the catapult, okay? Peach already blooming. Look, peach. Here, there's a blooming kind. Whee! Roses, roses are red, my love. Violets are blue. Sugar is sweet, but not as sweet as you. Rashi. Lele. Ah. Tahi lo wish mo pa da wish mo da. Tôi cũng nói mua hả? Tôi cũng nói tôi về mua vợ. Tree tomato. À rồi. Bài chui ra thôi nè. Rồi. Thưa phía lần này slide thiếu lắm chả. Already on the way to the jungle. Get the fun. You want to see the accuracy of me using catapult? Hold on. The plan is to shoot a target. This one, this stone. I'll shoot this stone from here. You guys see? One shot, one hit. Missed. Đây đây. Có đây có missed one. Look. I still got the skill, man. Anyway, welcome to the jungle. Jungle te ice day. Ru, rõ lách đi là vào. Lu bút tao chứ. Ru cả thằng gì bút tao mà tao đây. Save wildlife. Yêu. À lu bút tao để xin bút tao khai thì cho. Mà nè, ru cả thằng bổ lê, lu anh đi. Ru tao rồi sốc cải lê, cho nên bút tao nào bây giờ. Chỉ cho một plan. First steps tao mày. Tao phải cái này đã vào rồi tao đây. Can you hear that? Like that? Can you hear that sound? They are talking to me. Rồi chào với xóm đèo tao đây. Ri khê khê. Như tây dư. Silver. Diamond tàu lên ngó lưỡi. I don't care. I don't dig it. So fresh. So fresh. Big tree. Enjoy the silence of the nature, guys. If you want peace, live with the nature. Look at these berries. They look beautiful, but they are not edible. What can we do? Skip. Two. Look. 1, 2. Let's rest for a while. Bitter in nature, bitter and sour in nature. Good for diabetes, BP and all. High BP. And this one is pretty bitter. Juicy. This fruit is called juicy. This is a good workout for me today. My legs will be looking like as Hulk's thigh. Tay sơ vào tay thì đã đi cái ôi sợ đi thế này. Wow. Sợ bộ hai cá ra chỉ đây. Sai tan rồi chụp nó cái gì này. No. Nó phải bộ vấn đề thì tâm không có bỏ. Sâu bụi ra đấy. By the way, this is Japan leaf, Japan flower. Đó Japan mai, hello Vini. Thằng đặt taka bảo lúc gì thì nè. Chưa. This plant is good for healing wounds, gastritis. I don't know what else, but I'm sure of that too. Fern. There are types of ferns. Some are edible, some are not. Like this one also very good for healing wounds. Cows up ahead of me. They have almost gone wild, but not yet. They are very cunning. Let's chase. That was solid. So Poumai, very sorry. And so they're very from it. I think cows come here to satisfy their itchiness, like this. They'll be doing like this. They'll be scratching their neck like that. Almost blooming. Once they are in full bloom, it will be looking so pretty. This one is the type that blooms in Mauget cherry tree. Woo! Oh, somebody is responding me. Someone else is also with me in the jungle. I hope it's not the ghost and all. Sarah. Flower lovers. Pupala si mata, pupaki mata zip pala na. Sarah. Here, this is a plant, very good for stomach. Adapt, improvise, overcome. It's a bear Grylls impossible. Meh. Meh. Some people are rearing goats. Zay. Em mới sôi dây đã lì. Khắc kia được nè, here. What in spring water there? Thảo này có lẽ. Whose birthday is it today? Huh? Whose birthday? Candle. Happy birthday to you. If you can't afford a cake, at least you can afford a cow dung. Ngã câu kia cái ram rồi, kaku, the kaku or cuckoo is already here, but not chirping for us. Why? Jungle mukbang. My homies are already here. Hello. Ho. Hello. Ho. Go. Response your roll call. Roll number 1. Oh! Don't do that on me, bro. That's roll number 1. Roll number 2. 2. Hey. You look angry, bro. Don't come to me in that manner. Who is the god? Are they the god? Or Messi or Ronaldo? This is what I'm talking about. The beauty of the sunset. The sound of the nature, the sound of the silence. Rồi ta tới xong cái đầu tới đây. Tè lì mà. Tè hốt ráp mà. Thế nào đây? Bulbul rồi. Bulbul, that's bulbul. That's cuckoo. Hey, video I think that will be all. Now the more now so I will end the video from here. Thank you guys for watching. More interesting videos might come up, so stay tuned and take care. Bye.